In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a campaign on Google Ads. Start by signing into your Google Ads account in your browser. Once you're in, head to the Campaigns area. You may see a Campaigns option in the left-hand menu and also a Campaigns tab across the top. Click into Campaigns so you're looking at the full list of your existing campaigns. Find the campaign you want to duplicate. When you see it in the table, check the box next to its name to select it. This tells Google Ads which campaign you want to copy. With the campaign selected, look for the Edit menu that appears above the table and click it. From that menu, choose Copy. You'll usually see a brief confirmation that the campaign has been copied to your clipboard within Google Ads. Next, close the small banner or panel if one appears, or simply click back into the list. You should now see a Paste option appear near the Edit menu. Click Paste. A dialog may pop up asking how you want the pasted campaign to behave. There's typically an option to paste the new campaign in a paused state, which is helpful because it prevents the duplicate from immediately running before you review it. If you want the copy to stay paused initially, leave that option on, then confirm the paste. Give it a moment. Duplicating a campaign can take a little time, especially if the original has many ad groups, keywords, or assets. Don't click away or refresh, just wait until the new campaign appears in the list. You'll recognize it because it will have the same name as the original, often with a suffix or a number added automatically. Once the duplicated campaign shows up, you'll likely see its status set to paused. That's normal. When you're ready for it to go live, change the status to enabled. Before enabling, it's a good idea to quickly review key details like the daily budget, location targeting, and start date, just to make sure the duplicate aligns with your goals and won't overlap with the original in a way that causes unintended spend. If everything looks good, enable the new campaign and you're done. That's the full process. Open your account, go to Campaigns, select the one you want, use Edit and Copy, close the panel, hit Paste, wait for it to appear, and then enable it when you're ready. This approach makes it fast to replicate a successful setup, saving you time while keeping control over when the duplicated campaign begins serving.